Bitcoin outlook on a daily time frame. So we're gonna do a multi time frame analysis here. And yan, naglagay na tayo ng ibang resistance channel, mga support and resistance na lines, no? So we're following a downtrend channel here, from here and here, and also currently in a very recent move, and so very bearish. Okay, so what's interesting here is that if you zoom out, okay, so zoom out lang tayo, no? What's interesting here is that if you're going to use a Fibonacci retracement, it's still on a golden ratio. No, it's a very strong support, 0.618 Fibonacci. So if we are going to look here, what are the other, yung mga ibang pwede niyang pagpagsakan, no? So medyo malaki pa rin naman ang pwede niyang ibaba. Okay? So pero as you can see here, there's a support here, no? Ito lang, nagkaroon lang ng mga fake out dito, no? Pero bumalik siya dito, and then around here bumalik din, here and here. And also what's interesting is that we are seeing a bullish divergence. Again, I'm not saying that it's going to be a reversal right now. But what's interesting is that it could give us some bounce, no? So just like what happened here, nagkaroon siya ito. First is this, no? Bounce siya sa 0.618 Fibonacci, and then again, uh, it gave us some bounce here. So we could probably see a bounce here as well. Okay, so what we can do is that again, two-way tayo, no? So we're going to put a sell stop here. Yeah, so we are around at 58,900 as of this, no? So we're gonna target this one, and it's gonna give us 1:2.85 risk to reward ratio. Okay, so this is on a sell side, all right. But if we are going to take advantage of the bounce, no, I'd like to see more uh, na mabasag niya muna ito. Okay? So that's very interesting. So pag nabasag niya yan, you can probably see an upward movement like that. Okay? So dito tayo magbabay. And it's going to be a very limited, yan. It's going to be a very limited movement, no? At around 71, which is another Fibonacci retracement at 50. Okay? So again, if we're going to go long here, we want to take out this one. Yan. Take muna natin yan. Break out and then retest before we go here. Okay? Before we target the upper side. Okay? And targeting 71,000. Okay? And that's it for our Bitcoin outlook. So thank you so much for watching. If you want to learn more about Forex, nandiyan na yung link natin sa bio natin. See you there.